right, Jan, you out of here today from Friendship Collegiate. What are you hoping to get done with the Rivals?
Just prove that, like, all the offers I got is not fluke. That I got offers for what I could do, and I just want to show everybody that I'm a fast linebacker, not just a big, strong, stalky linebacker that I can move. I can do.
What is your current height, weight, and 40 time?
Right now I'm 6'2 and a half, 236. And my 40 time I'm on 47.
What kind of junior year did you have?
I had a good junior. I had 81 tackles, 9 sacks.
And that was at Friendship?
That was at Oxford Shakur.
Oh, you were at Carroll.
Yeah,
so when did you transfer over?
I transferred over third quarter.
Okay. Now, which colleges are showing you some love? Do you have any early offers yet?
Yeah. I got 5 offers. I got West Virginia, UConn, Rutgers, Maryland, Tennessee. And right now, West Virginia and UConn are my club right now.
Oh, okay. When did Maryland offer?
Maryland offered me last Wednesday.
Last Wednesday? Wow. Okay. What were your thoughts on that?
That's good because it's a hometown school, so it's a pretty good thing. Coach Blockchain recruiting me. So.
Okay. Have you been in D.C. all your life?
Yes. Mainly D.C. and Maryland.
Okay. What other college have you been to a Maryland Junior Day yet this spring?
No, sir.
I'm going plans.
No, I have plans to go to West Virginia Junior Day in March, and I got to go to UConn February 28th for their journey.
And you know a lot of the guys out of Maryland. Did you hear about Stephon Diggs?
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah. That's good. It's good. They got West End. They got stuff there. So, I think about the school, but right now I'm not really too skeptical about Maryland right now because they have 5 linebackers coming in for the 2012 class. About 5, so yeah, I just want to go back and play.
What's your best position at linebacker? Where do you want to play?
Outside linebacker, I'm looking for a defense.
And you play any offense?
Yeah, I play a little bit of tight end.
Tight end. Do you have any catches this day? Touchdowns?
About like 3 catches. 3. Yeah, like 3.
Okay, and growing up in this area, was Maryland school you followed?
Well, not for real. I just started playing football in 6th grade, so I used to be a basketball player, so I really didn't look at like schools like that, college and stuff. So I just transferred over to football. Now I'm getting feel for the schools and stuff now.
So Mike Locksley's your recruiter.
Yes.
And what's the feeling you get from him? What's his vibe to you?
He's a cool dude. He's been recruiting me since he was with New Mexico.
Right.
So he's cool. He's a good dude. Right now, like my number 1 recruit right now is Coach Roberts from West Virginia. Yeah, we got a good connection.
Okay. And just lastly, do Maryland fans